It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Acadia SLE. Let's start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. On the driver's door, we've got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got our child lock button and an auto express window, as well as the power liftgate button. Here we have our power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Next, I'll climb right in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, we've got our cruise control buttons, and on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. Here we've got our digital dash. We can scroll through the dash by pushing the arrow buttons on the steering wheel. Up above, we've got a sunglasses holder, as well as our OnStar button and some interior light buttons. Down below, we've got GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen also doubles as our backup camera. To the left of the screen, we've got our push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning. We've got the park reverse drive buttons, a little storage compartment with some USB and power plug-ins. We've got the auto stop start button as well as traction control, heated front seats, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. Inside the center console, we've got a storage compartment. The Acadia comes with 18-inch wheels. The side mirrors have the turn signal indicator and they are power operated. At the top, we've got roof rails. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors for you. At the rear, we've got the rear window wiper. We've also got the power lift gate, so we can pop that lift gate open with the push of a button. In the very back, we've got two additional seats. We can fold those seats down by pulling the tether. We've also got some cargo hooks, power plug-ins, as well as a storage compartment located down below. Next, we'll take a look in the back of this 7-passenger SUV. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, we've got a couple of seat pockets. On the back of the center console, we've got our rear climate control, as well as some USB and power plug-ins, and a storage compartment located down below. The center seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest. To gain access to that third row, we simply pull the lever located at the top of the seat, and that activates the slide technology. In the back, we've got two additional seats, and we've also got some cup holders and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at this 2020 GMC Acadia SLE today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.